Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone is paired and up to date. This avoids sync delays. Next, pick a Nike image sized close to the Apple Watch display, roughly 368 by 448 pixels, because correct dimensions reduce cropping. Once done, save it to Photos and add to Favorites so it's easy to find. I tell you why. Favorites sync faster in the Watch app and minimize mistakes when setting faces. Now move to the Watch Face editor on your phone. You now open the Watch app and go straight to Face Gallery, then choose the Photos face. This lets you use your Nike image. Pick the favorite album or the exact photo. Make sure you toggle Custom so you can reposition and scale the image. Then adjust the time position so the dial doesn't obscure the logo, and pick 2 lightweight complications for battery and activity. This matters because proper placement keeps branding visible and preserves readability during workouts. You finish by tapping Add to sync the new face to your Apple Watch. Watch the progress bar and wait until it ends. Once synced, press firmly on the watch face and choose Set as Current Face. If the image looks off, re-edit it on your iPhone, adjust scale or time position, and re-add it. If syncing stalls, restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth. This clears temporary pairing glitches and ensures the watch receives the updated wallpaper correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.